of the Women's League. These are segments.
Okujaguza ekiro ky'abakazi okwakorerwa omu shayi kororo kwatandika n'okurambura enyero z'abasharukare abakazi okuruga omu bitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe ebyo by'okwerinda. Okutambura omu nyero nikwo kwakurataho aho Lieutenant Kano Asiimo yaduumira paredi y'erizooba. Minisita w'emicwe n'emitwarize Peace Mutuzo yasiima gavumenti ya Uganda erikwemererwa President Museveni abokuheereza abakazi obugabe kora baketunguura. Omu mwaka gwa 2010 omu rukiiko rwa kabiri rw'ensiyoni rw'abakazi ababiri nibakora, omukazi orikumanywa nka Clara Zeki niwe yarugireyo akagamba ko abakazi barikwetenga kujaguza ekiro kyabo buri mwaka kandi okuruga obwo ogu n'omurundi gw'igana 14 barikujaguza ekiro eki.
To achieve women's empowerment. It is a day that we celebrate the gains that we have made and reflect on the agenda that still remains to be done. We celebrate the struggle, the courage of all the women who are determined, the ordinary rural women who have worked tirelessly to feed their families, to educate their children, to anchor Uganda as a society, because without the family, Uganda does not have a foundation.
No gavumenti ya NRM ekozire omurimo muhango kurebuka ngo abakazi batunga obugabe bw'okushoma kandi bakakora n'emirimo etari emwe n'emwe kwonka hakiriho obuzibu bw'amaani omu baishiki abarikushwerwa bakiri bato hamwe n'emishango y'obutabanguko bw'omu maka etarikukuratirwa.
Many of us have earned on a silver plate. The women has earned with struggle, with caucusing, with engagement. And therefore, at the heart of this has been education for the girl child. I think majority of us seated here today, if not for education, we will not be where we are. So at the center of that is education and economic empowerment for women, which we have achieved much.
Omukoro ogu gwahikwaho enganzi yanga Ruben Nanabanja, ishabaramuzi Dr. Flavian Zija, owabire enganzi yanga Mbabazi hamwe n'omukazi we General Kareke Ihura hamwe n'abembezi okuruga omu bitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe. Retired Major Jessica Rupo owajukira mukuru w'ihanga yakurusya abakazi okuhika kiro kyabo noko kushoma obutumwa bwa mukuru w'ihanga.
In 1986, when the NRM came to power, we were able to observe that although women formed more than 50% of the total population of 14 million Ugandans, their full potential was not fully realized on account of their lack of education, lack of opportunities, chronic ill health, and early death. Women were trapped in a very disadvantaged position.
Yagira ngo kuruga NRM etwara obwebembezi abakazi batungira Obwegyese burukumara kandi bayobwa n'omugisha gw'okuza omu bwebembezi.
An opportunity to recognize and celebrate the significant role played by women and girls in our families, local communities, and the country at large. I therefore want to thank you all for using this occasion to highlight the contribution of women and girls in all the spheres of life.
Gasha kwa Christopher Imbiswe.